So the pandemic has, had significant impact on a lot of industries, and staffing is no different. I think that in addition to, work from home, there has been a huge talent crunch, and obviously staffing companies are no stranger to that. Not only to fill temp jobs or direct hire jobs, but also to fill their own internal needs. And so with the pandemic, one of the benefits, if there are any benefits, has been the ability to kind of work from home and the use of technology to work remotely. And for certain supporting roles, especially in accounting and finance, companies have found the ability to not only expand their search pool for candidates, but also, be more flexible and adapt to, where I think finance and accounting is generally going. So, I want to kind of start out, by talking about what the needs are of or what the expectations should be of business owners from their finance and accounting group, and then also talk about how outsourcing can help either supplement or grow out those needs. So I think now more than ever, owners and leadership in general need accurate and timely numbers to help to develop decision support tools to help them navigate these times, right? So these tools, include cash forecasting, cash projections, budget to actuals, and so all these decision support tools are the result of a process that has to start long before that. And the process is incumbent on having the right team in accounting and finance, and getting that right team again could be supplemented through outsourced options, right? So when you think about, we're all fighting for the same talent, here's, I think, the steps in order to maximize that talent. First is going to be clean up of your books, right? That is step one. If the books are not pristine, if let's say, they were just on a cash basis, and maybe you'll be looking for a transaction down the road, conversion into accrual. This is huge in M&A. That's very important, right? So cleaning up the books is step one. Two, you got to create processes and procedures to maximize the efficiency of your department, utilize the talent that you do have, right? And also, ensure that there are proper controls in place, to avoid mistakes and even potentially fraud, right? So, how outsourcing can possibly fill that is that a full outsourced group has various levels. So you can supplement people at various entry points, either on the lower end transactional side, or maybe the controllership side, or even the outsourced CFO, right? So again, seeing where the strengths are in your finance and accounting team and helping supplement them or grow it out using the outsource model can be huge. Ultimately, that's going to result in creating a month-end close process that's timely, right? Generally, you want to have prior month's numbers anywhere from 7 to 15 days after month end. Once you have those numbers, then you can create these financial planning and analysis tools that we talked about: cash flow projections, cash forecasting, budget to actual, just general cash modeling, to allow you to see kind of where am I going to be in the next 3 to 6 months. And again, it's absolutely important and crucial for owners to have that sort of visibility. On the financial planning and analysis side, it's again, that's a special skill set. And so sometimes people try to fill that role internally, but the people might not have the skill set to be able to produce that. Included in all of that is technology. Technology is so key. In staffing companies, we have constant questions on integration of technologies, connecting the front end applicant tracking system with the back end, billing and payroll systems, and how that all flows into the ERP or the general ledger system, right? So having the technology in place helps foster some of that efficiency. I will say that technology in itself is not you know, does not solve all the problems. The people and the process and procedures need to be in place first, and then technology will complement that. Too often people look for, you know, a magic bullet and think that technology is going to solve all the problems. It's not. You know, have the people, have the processes, have the procedures in place first, and then supplement, you know, any technology changes on top of that.